Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing the Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation. I found this at TJ Maxx and I was really excited about it because I had seen it there before, but like as always, every shade that was there was way too dark for me. So I got lucky and I actually found, I think it's called Noisette. I think that's the shade. I think that's how they pronounce it. But it actually, I did self-tanner last night and this morning, and I don't know, I feel like the color worked like pretty well. So I was really excited to finally find a shade that I could use. Alright, so if you guys want to see how I somewhat got this look, I didn't do the full face in the video, but if you want to see that and the review on this foundation, just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and conceal just like any of the red spots that I have really quick, and I'm going to go ahead and use the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm not going to show the container on camera because it's split in half because I couldn't get all the product out, so my mom cut it in half for me. It's literally just halves. Oh, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics 129 brush for this. Alright, so spots are pretty much concealed and I look crazy. Look at the difference between my shoulders and my face. This is bad. Alright, so now I'm going to take some of the Milani Translucent Light to Medium powder, which I've actually really been liking this. I picked this up I think like last week or something, and I didn't like it the first time I used it, but I've tried it a couple times since and I actually am starting to like it. And so I'm just going to pick some of that up on my Morphe E48 brush right here, and I am going to use the BH Cosmetics 129 brush that I just used for the concealer, just to kind of like blend out any lines that have formed before I set it with that powder. Alright, now I'm just going to switch brushes over to the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball Powder number 8 brush, which is just this little fluffy round guy right here. And I'm just going to use this brush to cover like the rest of my face with that powder. I like to use the Morphe one just to kind of like get the T-zone and like the smaller areas. And then just this bigger fluffy one to get like the large areas of my face. Okay, so now it is finally powder foundation time. So I found this at TJ Maxx. It's the Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation in the shade Noisette. It was $12.99 at TJ Maxx, so this was a really good find. I was really excited about it. When you get it out of the box, it comes in like this little cute zipper like carrying case, which is awesome for if you're traveling. And then inside it comes with the foundation, and then it comes with like this little spongy thing, which I don't know, I never really use these little sponge things. I just use like a brush or whatever. Alright, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna keep using this Heavenly Luxe IT Cosmetics brush right here, and I'm just gonna dab into that and then start buffing it onto my skin. And when I'm putting this on, I'm not really like wiping it around my face. I'm kind of like almost dabbing it, like dabbing and dragging a little bit, if that makes any sense. Just to kind of like push it into the skin, kind of. And then I'm gonna just bring this over my lids too. I'm covering literally everything on my face. I'm also just gonna run this down my neck just because I want my face really to blend in with the rest of my body. I don't want to make it look like I have like a mask or anything. And then I am just gonna go back over some of the areas that I feel like needs just a little bit more coverage. I feel like that shade is like perfect for me being this color right now. It's like, I feel like it's slightly lighter than the rest of my body, which is good because now I can go in with like a bronzer and kind of make everything like really blend nicely. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of do the rest of my face. I'm going for a more like natural look today. We'll see if I stick to that once I get started. But I will be right back to finish this video up. Alright guys, so this is my finished look for today. As I'm filming this, not as it's being posted, but as I'm filming it, it is National Lipstick Day. Obviously I had to celebrate by wearing my favorite MAC lipstick in the shade Blank Tea. Alright, so overall thoughts of this foundation are like nothing is wrong with this foundation in my eyes. Like I have used quite a few powder foundations, and by far, so far, this is the best one that I've used. I don't know what it is about this, but when I put it on my face, it doesn't look super cakey. A lot of the times when I use powder foundations, a big problem that I have is like right through here, it'll really like accentuate my pores and it'll really like lay funny. This one didn't do that. I had to, this little blemish right here was still showing, so I brought it back as a freckle. But yeah, so I've tried powder foundations from IT Cosmetics, Mally, Bare Minerals, drugstore brands, and so far this one is beating them all out in my opinion. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button down below and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As always, all the products that I use and the brushes and all of that type of stuff will always be listed down below in the description box. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!